what is advanced Java, I'll explain. Okay. Just listen, don't write. I'll give you time for writing. Just listen. Just first, what exactly advanced Java, I'll explain. I'll give you notes. Okay, I'll give you notes. Don't worry about notes, and don't worry about duration. In a short period, good subject, I'll show you. Okay. See, first, so what is advanced Java and what are the topics I'm going to cover in this course? I'll explain. See, according to Sun Microsystem, there is no core Java, there is no advanced Java. There is only Java. So, core Java, advanced Java, these are unofficial words, not official words. According to Sun Microsystem, there is the only core Java. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Okay. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Online students, if any doubts are there, write it in your notebook. Later you can ask. I'll get time for doubts. Okay. Is my voice is not clear? Online students, just respond in a chat box. Is it clear? Okay. Okay. Now, what exactly advanced Java? First, I'll explain. What exactly advanced Java? I'll explain. See, 1 minute. See, already know 1995 Java came and exists in the market. 1995 Java came and exists in the market. When Java came and exists in the market for developing, first initially, say 1995 Java came and exists in the market for developing internet applications. So Java is a first programming language for developing internet applications. Internet application point of view, Java only first programming language. See, internet came and exists in the market in 1990. 1990, internet came. 1990, internet came. One minute, wait. Online students, now is it clear? Is it clear now? Okay. Say, okay. See, in 1995, Java came and exists in the market. 1995, Java came and exists in the market for developing internet applications. Say, 1995, Java came and exists in the market for developing internet applications. Java is a first programming language to develop internet applications. But internet came and exists in the market in 1990 only. 1990 only internet came. 1990 internet came. See, I am saying Java is a first programming language to develop internet applications. But internet came and exists in the market in 1990 only. But Java came after 5 years. After 5 years, Java came. Okay. But before Java only internet was there. 1990 internet came. 1995 Java came. But Java is a first before 95. Before only internet was there. 5 years. How they developed internet applications. Before 1995, for developing internet applications, they used C, C++, CGI, Perl. What are the languages already exist? Using those programming languages, developed internet applications. So already know 1972 internet C language came. 1972 C language. But when C language came and exists in the market, at that time there was no internet. 1972 there was no internet. So C language not made for internet applications, because at that time there was no internet. 1972 C came. 1990 internet came. 1995 Java came. Okay. 1972 C language came and exists in the market. At that time there was no internet. After 18 years internet came. At that time there is no specific programming language to develop internet applications. Then they used C language also, C++ also, Smalltalk, Ada, Simula. What are the languages already exist before 1990? Those languages they used to develop internet applications. 1990 to 95, 5 years, they used other languages. When Java came and exists in the market in 1995, other languages are stopped to use to develop internet applications. Then Java became as popular. It was booming in the industry. Now also booming in the market. So 1995 Java especially made for internet applications, and it is only first programming language. But what are the languages already exist? Using those languages they developed internet application up to 95. But 95 only they stopped. Why? If you develop with Java, Java is more secure as compared to other programming languages. Because of security reason, Java become as popular. Say, if you develop internet application with C, security issues comes. Because you take any internet application, there, if the data is confidential, compulsory you need to enter username, password. If you want to open mailbox also, you have to enter username, password. If you want to open chat box also, you have to enter username, password. If you want to open online banking also, anything, you need to enter username, password. If the data is confidential, compulsory, you have to enter username and password. Okay. But if C language, if the internet application is developed with C language, then security issues comes, because already know pointers are there in C language. With pointers there are so many advantages, but there is one biggest disadvantage: security issues comes. Using pointer, password, address we can find out. Through address, password also we can find out. That type of security issues comes. That is the reason only Java developers removed pointers. So we don't have pointers in Java. So security purpose only Java developers removed pointers. See, Java derived from C language and C++. From C language syntax derived, from C++ oops derived. Like that Java came. But which is the most important topic in C language? Pointers only, no? Which is most difficult topic? Pointers. And most important topic is C language, pointers only. The main topic only removed by Java developers. From C language syntax derived, from C++ oops derived. Like that Java came. So C language and C++. From C language, syntax derived. From C++, OOPS derived. Like that, Java came and exists in the market. While deriving, the main concept only removed by Java developers. Because with pointers, security issues comes. That is the reason Java developers removed pointers. See, pointers is a heart of C language, the main part, but the main part only removed by Java developers. So, main part only removed by Java developers. Reason, Java made for internet applications. If you develop internet application with Java, it is more secure because no pointers. If you develop with internet C language, security issues comes. That's what 1995 only C language they stopped. Java become as popular. It was booming in the industry. Now also booming in the industry. This is one reason. One more reason, platform independent. You studied in core Java class. So once if you write a Java program without modifying single character, you can run Java program on any environment. On any environment you can run. That is the power of Java language. Without modifying single character, you can run that program on Windows also, Linux also, Unix also, Solaris also, Mac OS also, on any operating system. That is the power of Java language. So, two reasons. One is security, one more independent, platform independent. But we are saying Java is secure, but still some people are hacking sites, no? Still some people are hacking sites. Okay. If Java supports pointers, then everyone will become hacker only. If Java supports pointers. So even this much security they provide also people are hacking sites. If supports pointers, all people becomes hackers only. That will happen. That is the reason only Java developers removed pointers. Like when Java came in 1995, then only some universities, colleges, they started Java course in academics. Then complete Java syllabus, it is not possible to finish in one semester. That is the reason this Java divided into two parts. One is core Java, one is advanced Java. So these words are unofficial words. Core Java, advanced Java. So according to Sun Microsystem, there is no advanced Java. This Java course in 95 only introduced in academics. Then this total course, it is not possible to finish in a one semester. That is the reason this is divided into two parts. Core Java, advanced Java. Okay. See, these are unofficial words. Your doubt is 6 months semester is there. Why it is not possible complete Java in a 6 months? You know very well. In academics, 1 month exams will be there. Almost 1 month. Okay. Before exams 1 month, students will not come to college. After exams also 1 month, they will not come to college. Like that 3 months will go. And there are so many holidays. Second Saturdays, Sundays, festival holidays, like that, so many holidays. And class time also just 50 minutes will be there. In that 50 minutes, attendance only 10 minutes. Like that. So 40 class will be there. Then how it is possible? So this total Java syllabus, it is not possible to finish in one semester. That is the reason they divided into two parts. One is core Java, one is Ada. So these two are unofficial words. See, after few days, Java extended to enterprise applications, J2EE, J2ME. These two came. So these two came and existed in 2000. So after 5 years, online students, if any doubts are there, just write it in your notebook. End of the session, I'll give it time for doubts. At that time, you can ask. Okay. If I click on this chart box, whatever I have drawn, that will be vanished. Okay. Now, J2EE, J2ME. These two editions came and exist in the market in 2000. So after 5 years, J2EE, J2ME came. Then this Java renamed as a J2SE. So this Java only renamed like a J2SE. See, Java 2 platform standard edition, Java 2 platform enterprise edition, Java 2 platform micro edition. So like this, 3 editions of Java. Initially, Java made for only developing internet applications. Later, the technology extended to enterprise applications, micro device applications. See, Java not only for computers, other devices also we can apply. That is micro edition. So, standard edition, enterprise edition, micro edition, 3 editions. Here, what is enterprise application? What is micro device application? These all further we'll see. See, suppose general example, Yahoo, Gmail, Facebook, WhatsApp, these all applications are there, no? Those all comes under normal internet applications. Enterprise application, nothing but banking, railway reservation, air ticket booking, and which are related to money transaction, and which are related to particular enterprise. Suppose Gmail, Google, YouTube, these all, anybody can access. But ICICI Bank website, if you want to access, first of all, you have to open ICICI Bank account. Then only you can access. ICICI is one enterprise. That application, ICICI customers can access, ICICI employees can access. See, normal internet application, what will do? First name, last name, address, mobile number will access. But ICICI Bank application, can you register yourself? No. First of all, you have to open bank account. They will give some username and password. With that username and password, you have to log in. Then you can change password if you want. But you cannot register. Username and password. With that only you can log in. So that is enterprise application. Is one enterprise. That application, that enterprise employees can access, that enterprise customers can access, but other people cannot access. That type of application is enterprise application. And ME, micro edition, micro devices. Say there are so many electronic gadgets supporting Java programming. That is ME. Say TV setup box, there is a Java programming. Card reader machine, debit card, credit card, swipe, you will swipe the card, no? That machine supporting Java. So like that, so many electronic devices are there in the market. Pagers, communicators, palm tops, PDAs, barcode machines, sensors, and even mobiles. These all comes under micro devices. So Java not only for computers, we can apply to other devices also. So that is micro edition. These editions in 2000, all versions are 2. So year also 2, year also 2, year also 2. At their time, version is 2, but versions are updated. No, so many new versions came. Now present Java Development Kit. What is the latest version? 19. JDK 19 came. So Java 19 SE you have to call. Java 19 SE, because not 2. Present 19th version going on. Java 19. So here, this is 8th edition going on. This is at present version removed. And these all, instead of calling J2SE, J3SE, J4SE like that, these names are changed. Again, new names they given. This is they given as a Java SE. This is Java EE. This is Java ME. Like this, after these three names given in 2005. These names given in 2005. After 3 years in 2008. After 3 years, 2008, one more edition also came. That is Java FX. See, according to Sun Microsystem, according to Oracle Corporation, at present 4 editions of Java is there. Java SC, Java EE, Java ME. See, Java SC full form, Java Platform Standard Edition. Java EE full form, Java Platform Enterprise Edition. Edition. Java ME full form, Java Platform Micro Edition. Micro Edition. Java FX full form, Java Platform FX. There is no full form. I'll explain. See, visual effects. Visual effects. We are writing like a FX. Visual effects. Graphics related. Multimedia content. Visual effects, we are writing like a FX. Okay. Here also Java FX like that only you can understand. So 4 editions of Java available. Say Java SC, Java EE, Java ME, Java FX. According to Sun Microsystem and Oracle Corporation, 4 editions of Java is there. 4 editions of Java. Okay. I'll explain. Just write this all up to here. Whatever I given as it is, write it. Just as it is, write it. Because what is advanced Java to explain. Write this all. One minute. First of all, as it is, write it. These all noted. Java ME, Java FX, Java Platform Standard Edition, Java Platform Enterprise Edition, Java Platform. Notes in PDF format. I'll share in Google Classroom also, but present running notes also write it. Running notes also write it. For learning advanced Java, core Java, up to exception handling knowledge required, compulsory. At least object-oriented programming should be completed. With that knowledge, you can understand advanced Java. Object-oriented programming is prerequisite. So no need to wait until completion of core Java, but object-oriented programming knowledge is prerequisite to learn advanced Java. Without object-oriented principles, you cannot understand advanced Java. Encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, whatever you studied, object-oriented principles, that knowledge is mandatory. It is compulsory. Prerequisite. Variables, methods. These also required. Yeah, I'll interact with online students also. I'll interact. Yeah, definitely I'll interact with you. This is first class, studio class only. Every day I'll interact with you, every day. Online students, offline students. Note down this one as it is note down. I'll give clarity, everything I'll give. Just listen the class and write the notes. So Java SC full form, Java Platform Standard Edition, Java Platform Enterprise Edition, Java ME full form, Java Platform Micro Edition, Java FX full form, Java Platform FX. FX only write it. Is it over? Online students, listen the class, listen the class. End of the session, I'll give time for doubts. See, here, core, now total 4 editions of Java is there. 4 editions of Java. Okay. Is it over? Now, note down, core Java is a part of Java SE. Advanced Java is a part of Java SE and Java EE. So some topics comes under Java SE. Some topics comes under Java EE. Which are the topics comes under SE? Which are the topics comes under Java EE? I'll explain. Core Java is a part of Java SE. So complete core Java is a part of Java SE. Advanced Java is a part of Java SE and Java EE. Okay. Core Java is a part of Java SE. Advanced Java is a part of Java SE and Java EE. Some topics comes under Java SE. Some topics comes under Java EE. Is it over? See, we are calling core Java, advanced Java. Core Java, it is complete core Java is a part of Java SE only. But advanced Java is a part of Java SE and Java EE. Some topics comes under Java SE, some topics comes under Java EE. Which are comes under SE? Which are comes under EE? I'll give. See, here we are calling only 3 words. We are calling only 3 words. Those all core Java, advanced Java, and J2EE. We are calling only 3 words. Core Java, advanced Java, and J2EE. Generally, these 3 words we are calling. This core Java is a part of Java SE. Advanced Java, some topics comes under SE, some topics comes under EE. But J2EE is there, no? It is complete Java EE. But still 2 more editions are there. These 2 editions, no one is learning, no one is teaching. Java ME, Java EE, Java FX. It is not outdated. No one is learning, no one is teaching. Reason, Java SE, Java EE requirement is more in software companies. Java ME, Java FX requirement is very less. That's what no one is learning. But if we teach also, no one will come into, no one will join in that course because requirement is very less. ME requirement, FX requirement is very less. But if the company requires ME programmer or FX programmer, how they'll recruit? If the company requires ME programmer, FX programmer, they'll conduct written tests and interview only on core Java knowledge, core Java subject, only core Java. With that knowledge, they'll recruit. And after recruiting, corporate training will be there on ME FX. So present, no need to learn. After joining in the company, if the company requirement is there, again you will learn. Otherwise, no need to learn. So one more thing, remember, it is not going to complete learning in Ameriped. After getting a job also you have to learn subject. It is not going to end. Software industry, lifelong you are student only. It is not going to end. Okay. See, after getting 10-20 years experience also people are learning, no? Evening batches, early morning batches, night batches, they are attending. Working people also. Compulsory. It is not going to end learning in Ameriped. After getting a job also you have to learn. Okay. That's what learning point of view, more patience required. More patience required. See, suppose latest version Java 19. Up to 19 you are going to learn. After getting a job, Java 20 comes. Will you come to Amirpet again? You have to learn yourself. Up to 19 already you studied. With that knowledge, 20 you can learn. Self-learning skills also required. It is compulsory. So every day you have to update. Don't think after getting a job it is not required to learn. It is compulsory required. Okay. For getting a job also required. After getting a job also required. If you want to survive in a software industry also you have to learn subject. Otherwise not possible. Okay. So other jobs are different. Software job is different. It is knowledge based job. If you have a knowledge, you will enjoy software job. Otherwise you cannot enjoy software job. Okay. Those who are working in a software companies, you ask them. Those who are enjoying or not enjoying, you ask them. Top MNC company job also, all are not enjoying. Those who are having subject, they'll enjoy. Those who don't have a subject, they cannot enjoy. So it is knowledge based job. See, in a 7 days, 5 days working days will be there. 2 days holidays, Saturday, Sunday. If you have a knowledge, Saturday, Sunday, you will enjoy. If you don't have a knowledge, Saturday, Sunday also, you'll think about Monday. That's it. It is knowledge based job. Saturday, Sunday also, they'll think about Monday. Because task will be there. They'll give a time. In that time period, you have to complete. If you are unable to complete, Saturday, Sunday also will work. It will be happen. So it is knowledge based job. If you have a subject, you can enjoy. Otherwise, you cannot enjoy. That's what every day you have to update. Every day you have to update. Compulsory. Okay. Even one more thing. Not only Java. Suppose, for example, you will join in one company as a Java programmer. You will join in one company. After 2-3 years in that company, Java projects are completed. Assume Java projects are completed. They will assign .NET project or Python project. Assume. Okay. Then what will happen? Either you have to resign that company, you have to search for again Java job, or you have to learn .NET or Python. It will happen. So suppose company very good, full freedom is there in that company, and salary also very good. Then what will do? You will learn one more technology. Otherwise, if you are interested only Java programmer, then what you will do? You will resign that company, you will go to another company. Like that. Either you have to change the technology or you have to change the company. This type of situations also comes compulsory. That is the reason every day you have to learn. Learning is not going to complete. Lifelong, all are students only in software industry. Okay. It is compulsory. You have to update. You have to update. Okay. See here, present you are going to learn core Java, advanced Java, J2EE. Core Java, advanced Java, J2EE. Nothing but only 2 editions of Java. Remaining 2 editions, after getting a job in your company, requirement is there. Learn. Otherwise, not required. Okay. Now, here, what is platform? That is in core Java class only you learn. Why Java called a platform? What is platform? These all. Now, advanced Java, what are the topics I'm going to cover? That content I'll give. Now, note down this one. Advanced Java. Advanced Java. First topic, JDBC. It is first topic. Second one, servlets. So advanced Java very interesting as compared to core Java. But core Java object-oriented programming knowledge is mandatory. Without that knowledge, advanced Java you cannot understand. For learning advanced Java, core Java, object-oriented programming topic, it is compulsory. Those who didn't complete object-oriented principles, better to wait for next batch. All object-oriented principles, if it is completed, attend. Otherwise, you wait for next batch. But object-oriented programming knowledge is mandatory. Advanced Java means real-time application part. You are going to develop internet applications. After completion of advanced Java, you will be able to develop internet applications. Okay, like one application, if it is running in server, that application, any number of people at a time from any core Java, those all you will understand. Because advanced Java real-time applications. Advanced Java onwards, real-time starts. Application part begins here. That is language. Language, if you are familiar, any application you can build. So you are going to see application part in advanced Java. Language is core Java. Advanced Java application part. First day onwards, Solid listeners. Solid listeners. It is also part of Solid only. I given separate. Fourth topic, filters. Filters. It is also related to Solid only. Little bit difference will be there. First one, JDBC. Second one, Solids. Third one, Solid listeners. Fourth one, filters. Fourth one, filters. I'll explain. Just content I'm giving. What is Solid? What is filter? Today only not possible. Okay. Fifth one, JSP. Java Server Pages. Fifth one, JSP. Sixth one, JSP using Java Beans. JSP using Java Beans. Seventh one, JSP EL. JSP expression language. This all comes under JSP only. JSP expression language. Eighth one, JSTL. JSP standard tag library. Ninth one, MVC. Model View Controller. By using Java Bean, JSP, Solid. Model View Controller using Java Bean, JSP, and Solid. Last one, Reflection API. Application Programming Interface. Application Programming Interface. This is advanced Java content. JDBC, Solids, Solid listeners, filters, JSP, JSP EL, JSTL, MVC, Reflection API. So this is advanced Java content. JDBC, Solids, Solid listeners, filters, JSP using Java Beans, JSP EL. These are the topics you are going to see in advanced Java. See, lots of practice required. You need to spend more time on system. Core Java, more logical part will be there. Advanced Java, application part. So complete application development will be there. First topic onwards up to last topic, applications only in advanced Java. Okay. Now, here, note down. JDBC and Reflection API are the part of Java SE. JDBC and Reflection API are the part of Java SE. And remaining topics are the part of Java EE. JDBC and Reflection API are the part of Java SE, and remaining topics are the part of Java EE. So first topic, last topic comes under Java SE. Remaining all topics comes under Java EE. Okay. JDBC and reflection API are the part of Java SC, and remaining topics are the part of Java EE. Say JDBC and reflection API. That means first topic and last topic. First topic, last topic comes under Java SC. Remaining all topics comes under Java EE. So this is Java content C and Java EE given. So what means Java, advanced Java is a part of Java SC, Java EE. Because while writing program, suppose JDBC required, you have to search in Java SC library. While writing JSTL program, you have to search in Java EE library. That's what this knowledge is required. Okay. So these two topics comes under SC, remaining all topics comes under EE. Okay. Now, for developing applications, programming knowledge is mandatory. So up to exception handling in core Java, up to exception handling is called language. Up to exception handling is called Java language. That is Java programming language. After Java, after exception handling, what are the topics you are learning? No, those are application part. That is in core Java application. But here advanced Java first day onwards application. So up to exception handling prerequisite to learn advanced Java. We can understand at least object oriented programming is compulsory. If this topic is not completed, better to wait for next batch. If this topic is completed, you can continue. Otherwise, you cannot understand advanced Java class. So for learning advanced Java, object oriented programming is prerequisite. It is compulsory. Okay. See, suppose what I'll do, first topic only observe JDBC. JDBC. That means Java program, don't write. Java program and database. Java program and database. We are going to connect. It is suppose Java application. It is Java application. It is database. It is database. These two we are going to connect. These two we are going to connect. Java is program. Database is one software. These two softwares we are going to connect. For connecting, can you write any logic? No. It is not a factorial program. It is not a square root program, Armstrong number, strong number programs. Okay. That software, this software, if you want to connect, compulsory library required. See, if you calculating factorial, square root, Armstrong number, strong number, perfect number, these all you can write logic. But that software, this software, if you want to connect together, can you write any logic? No, it is not possible. So library required. Without library, first program, first line also you cannot write. Not possible. Okay. For library purpose only, object oriented programming knowledge is mandatory. Okay. Without using library, one line also we cannot write. Library, if you want to use, that means object oriented programming knowledge is mandatory. Class, object, variables, methods, this keyword, static keyword, final keyword, abstract class, interface, overloading, overriding, upcasting, downcasting, instance variable, class variable, local variable, and the inner classes, outer class, these all you studied, no? It was all required. Without that, one line also you cannot understand. Okay. Object oriented programming is prerequisite. Those who didn't complete till object oriented programming, you better to wait for next advanced Java batch. Okay. Object oriented programming topic completed means continue in this batch. Okay. Now First of all, JDBC. For this topic, object-oriented programming required. Like first line only, library will be there. Without library, it is not possible. Library, if you want to display at the command prompt, we'll go for Java P command. Do you know this command? Java P. Do you know? Otherwise, write this one. Write this one. Java P. It is a JDK tool and it is used to get the profile of a class or it is a JDK and it is used to get the profile of a class or interface. It is a JDK tool and it is used to get the profile of a class or interface. Now, first of all, for learning advanced Java, some concepts I'll explain. After that, I'll start advanced Java. Okay, like this type of concepts required. Java P, suppose for example, Java P, how to use library, that is I'll explain. Okay, it is a JDK tool and it is used to get the profile of a class or interface. Profile means profile contains list of variables, comma, methods and constructors. Profile contains list of variables, methods and constructors. Profile contains list of variables, methods and constructors. So Java P, nothing but profiler. Java C, compiler. Java launcher. Java P, profiler. Used in core Java class. Java C, Java. Java C, nothing but Java compiler. Java, nothing but Java launcher. Java P, nothing but Java profiler. These are called JDK tools. It is a JDK tool and it is used to get the profile of a class or interface. Profile contains list of variables, methods and constructors. Say example. At the command prompt, we'll write like this. Java P space java.lang.string. If I write string class profile comes. So we'll write like this. Java P space java.lang.string. Java P java.lang.string. We'll write. Then it shows a profile. Write it. It shows a list of variables, comma, methods and constructors. It shows the list of variables, methods and constructors of java.lang.string class. It shows the list of variables, methods and constructors of java.lang.string class. It shows the constructors of java.lang.string class. So if you write like this, it shows the list of variables, list of methods, list of constructors of this class. Whichever class you write, that class profile it shows. Is it over? Stay at the command prompt. I'll open. Say string. If I enter, see, if I enter, that is called profile. It is library. See, in a string class, these many methods, variables, constructors are there. Say java.lang is a package. String is a class. In this class, this is a variable. This is a variable. These are variables. After that, these are constructors, because class name, method name same, no return type. It is called constructor, no constructors. These all methods. These all methods up to here constructors. So here, this library we have to access. But if you want to access, you should know public keyword, you should know integer, you should know instance method, you should know class, you should know constructor, you should know method. These all know. That's what object oriented programming is compulsory. Okay. Now, like this, you can see the profile. This profile we have to access to develop application. What I'll do, suppose one application. Suppose what you'll see, first starting application only like this will be there. So one Java program will connect to database. The first topic name only Java database connectivity, no? Java database connectivity. Now the Java program and database we have to connect. Like this, every day one task I'll give. For that task, diagrams I'll explain. After that, steps I'll explain. What we have to do first, what we have to do second, what we have to do third, order I'll explain. After that, which are the methods required in this library? This type of methods I'll give. After that, I'll ask questions with core Java knowledge. You have to give answers. With your answers, write the program. Like that, my class. Okay. I'll explain task. I'll explain diagram. I'll explain which are the methods required. I'll explain steps to develop application. These all I'll explain. After that, while writing a program, each and every line with your answers only I'll write. Okay. I'll ask questions. You have to give answers every day. Okay. With your answers only I'll write the program. So suppose for example, now this is one method. I'll ask some questions, give me answer with your core Java knowledge. Now, what is a method name? What is a method name? Length. Okay, method name is length. How many parameters are there? No parameters. No parameters, no? Now, what is return type of method? Int. Is this method is accessible? How do you know? Public. Okay. Is it instance method or class method? How do you know? There is no static keyword. Static keyword is there, instance method. Static keyword is not there. Static keyword is there, class method. Static keyword is not there, instance method. How many ways to access that method? 2 ways. What are those? By using object also you can access. By using object reference also you can access. Which class object required? String class object required. Because it is string class method. Like this, I'll ask questions. You have to give answers. With your answers, I'll write the program. Okay. Which method required, which constructor required, I'll give. As a beginner, it is not possible. As a beginner, it is not possible. Okay. Every day I'll interact with you. Then only you'll get a subject. But only myself I'm teaching, yourself you are watching, you are feeling like a theater, you are watching like a movie means no use. Okay. End of the should be able to write any Java program. You should be able to give answer in interview. That knowledge is required. Okay. Only course completion is not important. Course completion students, so many people are there in Amirpet. Okay. So many people are there. Those completed core Java, they complete advanced Java, Spring, microservice, all. Spring Boot also, microservice also, everything completed. Course completion is not important. End of the course, you should be able to write written tests. You should be able to give answers in interview. You should be able to develop application. You should be able to develop project. That type knowledge is required. Okay. So if I ask question, if you answer means you are able to write programs. So this thousands of classes are there. Suppose example, one more, java.lang.integer. It's one class. In this class, Suppose this method I want to call. Now, is this method is accessible? How do you know? Public. Public is there, no restriction. Anybody can, anywhere you can access, no? So that is public method. That's what maximum methods are public only will be there. If non-public is there, you cannot access outside the package. Okay. Private is there within the class only. Access modifiers you study, no? Now, that method, is it accessible? Yes. How do you know? Public. Is it instance method or class method? Class method. How do you know? Static. See, in that static keyword, you can give answer. It is a class method. How many ways to access class method? 4 ways possible. Directly you can access. Class name you can use. Object you can use. Object reference also we can use. But object reference not recommended if it is class method. Okay. When we have to use directly? If it is present in the same class. When we have to use class name? Another class. Suppose this method is present in integer class. My class is demo class. Can we access directly? No. Then you have to call with class name. Now, what is the return type of this method? Int. How many parameters? 2 parameters. Method name? Max. So, class name dot max. Integer dot max. Like that you have to call. Okay. Integer dot max because static. So this method calling knowledge, it is compulsory to learn advanced Java. Otherwise, it is not possible. Okay. Advanced Java, first program, first line only method calling will be there. You are unable to call the methods, you are unable to give answer means you cannot learn advanced Java. It is not possible. Method calling is mandatory. First line, first program, first line only will write method calling. This Java P command we used to get the profile. But here, this method, what purpose? Description is not available. Description is available in documentation. Write that point. Descriptions of variables, methods, and constructors available in Java API documentation. Descriptions of variables, methods, and constructors available in Java API documentation. Descriptions of variables, methods, and constructors available in Java API documentation. So descriptions of variables, methods, and constructors available in Java API documentation. Say, at the command prompt, you can see the method declarator only, but you cannot see the description. Say, here, whatever we are getting in a command prompt, return type is there, access modifier is there, parameters are there, and modifiers are there. But other information not available. That information available in Java API documentation. This documentation available in internet. Say, I'll open in a Google, you can type Java API. Java API documentation. Latest version 19. Java API 19. See Java API 19 here. This is documentation. Java Platform Standard Edition and Java Development Kit version 19 API specification. Here modules are there. First module, base module, very beginning. In that, suppose here package. You observe java.io package, java.lang package. Say every package is a package. What purpose? Description. This is a package. What purpose? Description. See, every package description is there. Like this, how many packages are there? See, so many packages are there. See, These are packages. Hundreds of packages are there. Okay. Suppose first package java.lang, you'll click. Suppose you'll click java.lang. In this package, see, in this package here, all classes and all interfaces. See, class description, class description, class description. Like this description. Suppose string class, alphabetical order is there. Alphabetical order. So string class. Here string class appears. Say string class description. If you click here, methods. Here fields nothing but variables, constructors. After that methods, all methods. See, it is a method. What purpose? Description. It is a method. What purpose? Description. So even if you don't know what purpose that method, you can see here. This documentation, it will occupy almost 2 GB if you download. 2 GB it will occupy. 2 gigabytes. So this documentation no need to download. In online we can see whichever class required, whichever method required. But after getting a job, not now. Okay, that after getting a job, if they give a team leader one task, then the task purpose, which method required, which class required, which package required, you have to search. That package you have to import. You have to create object. You have to call the methods. That type knowledge required. Okay, then only you can develop application. But before getting a job is different. After getting a job is different. So before getting a job, whatever required, you are going to learn. After getting a job, what is required also you are going to see. Okay, that is in advanced Java, both you learn. For getting a job, what is required. For work in a job company, what is required, that is you are going to see. So these all methods are available. Each method description also available. That method, suppose to uppercase. This is a method. See, this is a method. Description also, complete description available. Every method, every class, every package, complete description available. Once if you know how to use Java library, then any Java program you can write. That part is in advanced Java onwards begins. But core Java different, advanced Java different. Core Java, you learn logics. So many logics are there in object-oriented programming. So many logics. Here, programming part is more. Logical part is less. That logic only you are going to apply here. So that knowledge is required. Once if you know how to use Java library, then any Java program you can write. Any Java program you can write. Say here, suppose I'll ask some questions, give me answer. Is it constructor or method? Is it constructor or method? Constructor. You see class name, method name, same. Integer. Okay. Is there any return type? No. A constructor is a special method which has same name as a class name and which has no return type. That is called constructor. Is this constructor accessible? Yes. How do you know? Public. Is it default constructor or parameter constructor? Parameter constructor. So there is parameter int. There is a parameter integer. When constructor is called? Whenever object is created. If you create object, constructor is called automatically. This is all you studied, no? That knowledge required. If you are perfect in object-oriented programming, if you are perfect in object-oriented programming, if you are saying hard means, that meaning you are not perfect in core Java. That's it. See, while learning, suppose while learning advanced Java hard appears, that meaning you are not perfect in core Java. That's it. If the person is saying advanced Java hard, that meaning he is not perfect in core Java. If the person is saying Selenium hard, that meaning also is not perfect in core Java, because Selenium also core Java required. Okay. If the person is saying Android hard, that meaning also is not perfect in core Java. For learning Android also, Selenium also, and Spring also, Spring Boot also, microservice also, Hibernate also, other frameworks also, and for all core Java object oriented programming required. Very depth knowledge required in object oriented programming. Okay. Subject I'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll start subject. For learning this subject, advanced Java, object oriented programming is prerequisite. Okay. You prepare and come. It is better. Whatever you studied in core Java in this topic, you prepare and come. Tomorrow I'll continue. Course class timing, 1 minute. Class timings 4 p.m. 4 p.m. to almost 5:40, 5:45, like that I'll take. Okay. Class time 4 to 5:45, like that I'll take. Course duration 70 days it will take. 70 days. Okay. So minimum 60 days, maximum 70 days it will take. 60 to 70 days. Class timing 4 to 5:45. Course duration 60 to 70 days it will take. Okay. Any doubt? What you are discussing about the duration? About duration? So 60 to 70 days it is possible. You can learn. No need of 6 months learning. Okay. 60 to 70 days you can learn. Whatever required to get a job, that is enough. That is enough. You can learn. It is possible. Notes also, running notes I'll give. Running notes I'll provide. And even I'll share PDF files in Google Classroom also. But better to write running notes also. Compulsory. PDF files, all examples are not there. One example is there. And running notes also write it. What I'm going to give running notes, that is also your right. Say, every day I'll interact with you. See, suppose just now I asked some questions, no? Like that, every day I'll interact with you. You have to give the answer. With your answers only, I'll write the program. With your answers only. Only myself, I'm not going to write program complete. If I write, you will not get a subject. Okay. With your answers only, I'll write the program. Okay. Tomorrow, 4 o'clock, you will see continuation. Okay. Tomorrow, I'll start subject. It should be very regular. Every class important only. Online student, just wait 5 minutes. I'll clarify your doubts. Online students, one by one, I'll clarify your doubts. Already 46 messages came. One by one, I'll clarify your doubts. 1 minute. Online students, one by one I'll clarify your doubts. One by one I'll clarify your doubts. One by one I'll clarify your doubt. Just wait. Just wait. This course is 60 to 70 days. One minute, one by one I'll clarify your doubts. So many doubts came. So many questions they asked. One by one I'll clarify. Yeah, one by one I'll clarify. Pranita Pridarshi, no recordings. Today's class you will get a recording, but further 1 week classes you'll get it. Starting demo classes you'll get it. Further you will not get recordings. Yeah, Harshit, every day I'll interact with you. Online students also, offline students also. Core Java, Advanced Java difference I given. Core Java, Advanced Java difference I given. Core Java is a language, Advanced Java is application development. Yeah, Kush. Admin numbers I'll give tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll give admin details. Divya Nagendra Reddy. Yeah. C++ contains pointers because C++ made for system software. Akshay, yeah, 3,500 for advanced Java. If you are a full stack Java student, no need to pay the fee. If you are a full stack Java student, no need to pay the fee. Gokul, yeah, timing is not suitable. You can attend another batch. SC nothing but standard edition, double E nothing but enterprise edition. Shravani, yeah, in Reliance building offline is going on. Yeah, Google class link, you will get it after 2-3 days. You'll get a Google Classroom link. Exception handling, if it is not covered, okay, you can continue if your object oriented programming is completed. Yeah, if exception handling topic is not completed, you can continue. Advanced Java duration 60 to 70 days it will take. For learning advanced Java, object oriented programming knowledge required in core Java. Solids, JSP, these all further you'll understand. Today not possible. Vamshi, yeah, Spring Boot microservices. If you want to learn advanced Java, Solids knowledge required. Yeah, Gokul, daily I'll interact with you. Daily I'll ask questions. Or Nagarjuna, yeah, with the default access modifier, you can access within the package only. Gokul, core Java only most important for interviews. Shubham, it is first class. Today only first class. Yeah, class duration 4 to 5:45 like that I'll take. Yeah, this video you will get it, but further no recordings. Pragna, yeah, 5:40. By 5:40 I'll finish. Okay, you can continue. Amit, 7:30 p.m. batch student. Okay, you can join. My batch only, no, you can join. That is already inner classes going on. So your first 1 week theory will be there. You can attend, you can understand. 7:30 p.m. core Java, my batch, inner class is going on, no? So that's what already object oriented programming completed almost. So you can continue. Today recorded video you'll get it, but further you will not get. Be regular. Offline class in Reliance building. No recordings. Further no recordings. Aniket, if 4 o'clock you are attending advanced Java Oracle batch means you can wait for next advanced Java batch. If timing is not suitable for, you can wait. Until completion of core Java, no need to wait. You can parallel, you can continue advanced Java also. Full stack Java students, no need to pay the fee. because this advanced Java course included in full stack Java. Google Classroom link after 2-3 days you'll get it. Object oriented programming knowledge is mandatory to learn advanced Java. Lambda expressions completed means you can continue. Enterprise edition, enterprise application, only enterprise people can access, one particular enterprise organization. Java also oops are there, no? Ankit, yeah, you can join. Offline class in Reliance building. You are attending already HTML batch, Pavani. Yeah, you wait for next advanced Java batch. But next advanced Java batch, when it is going to start, you contact admin only. No recordings. You should be very regular. 1 class, 2 class. If you miss, you can see the notes. If any doubts are there, you can mail to my mail ID. But if you miss 10 days, 20 days classes, you can join in another batch. With advanced Java, parallel, if you want to learn in full stack, Selenium you can learn, and Angular you can learn. Complete advanced Java duration 70 days. Yeah, full stack Java students can join. If you want to develop any real-time project, at least one framework knowledge required. $60 to $70 days it will take. I given these are the topics covered in advanced Java. Chandrasekhar, yeah, present what you do is work in small company as a fresher. After getting experience, you can jump to MNC. Full stack Java, more opportunities are there with only as compared to core and advanced. Full stack Java more better. Class is in Reliance building. Shivam, you contact admin only.